Welcome back to Car Look. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Dodge Hornet, a compact SUV that's making big waves in the automotive world. Dodge is known for its high-performance muscle cars, but the Hornet proves they can also deliver a thrilling experience in a smaller, more practical package. Whether you're a daily commuter or a performance enthusiast, the Hornet has something for everyone. So, let's take a closer look at its exterior, interior, performance, and price. Let's get started. First up, the exterior. The 2025 Dodge Hornet is a bold and aggressive compact SUV that stands out in a crowded segment. At the front, you'll notice the signature Dodge Crosshair grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that give it a modern and sporty look. The hood features subtle sculpting, adding to its muscular stance. Moving to the sides, the Hornet boasts sharp character lines, blacked-out pillars for a floating roof effect, and optional 19-inch alloy wheels that fill out the wheel wells perfectly. The rear is just as striking, with LED taillights, a roof spoiler, and dual exhaust tips that hint at the performance capabilities under the hood. Overall, the Hornet's design is a perfect blend of sportiness and practicality, making it a head-turner wherever it goes. Now let's step inside. The 2025 Dodge Hornet's interior is where practicality meets performance. The cabin is surprisingly spacious for a compact SUV, with plenty of room for 5 passengers. The seats are comfortable and supportive, with available leather upholstery and contrast stitching for a premium feel. The driver-focused cockpit features a customizable digital instrument cluster and a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Dodge's latest Uconnect software. The center console is clean and intuitive, with physical controls for essential functions and a wireless charging pad for your devices. Dodge has also paid attention to the little details like ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and plenty of storage compartments. Whether you're running errands or heading out on a road trip, the Hornet's interior is designed to keep you comfortable and connected. All right, let's talk about what really matters: the performance. The 2025 Dodge Hornet offers 2 powertrain options to suit different driving styles. The base model comes with a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine that delivers 268 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive, making it a great choice for everyday driving. But if you're looking for more excitement, the Hornet RT is the way to go. This performance-oriented trim features a plug-in hybrid powertrain that combines a turbocharged 1.3-liter engine with an electric motor, delivering a combined 288 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque. The RT can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.6 seconds, making it one of the quickest vehicles in its class. Plus, with an electric-only range of around 30 miles, it's perfect for short commutes or running errands without using a drop of gas. Both trims come with multiple drive modes, including Sport and Track, to tailor the driving experience to your preferences. The Hornet also features a sport-tuned suspension and precise steering, making it fun to drive on twisty roads while still being comfortable for daily use. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Dodge Hornet starts at around $32,000 for the base model, making it an affordable option in the compact SUV segment. If you want the performance-oriented RT trim, you're looking at closer to $40,000. While it's not the cheapest option in its class, the Hornet offers a unique combination of style, performance, and practicality that's hard to beat. Plus, with its available hybrid powertrain, you'll save on fuel costs in the long run. So there you have it, the 2025 Dodge Hornet. It's a compact SUV that combines bold design, a comfortable interior, and thrilling performance into one impressive package. Whether you're looking for a practical daily driver or a fun-to-drive performance SUV, the Hornet has you covered. What do you think? Is this the compact SUV you've been waiting for? Or would you go for something else? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button subscribe to Car Look, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep driving and stay tuned.